creamy garlic prawn recipe. So guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we'll be cooking creamy garlic prawn recipe. This recipe is so good and quick. It's easy. So let's get started, guys. For this recipe, I'll be using raw prawn. So next is to wash the prawn very well and then season it. So I'm using ginger powder, onion powder, I use garlic powder, I added some seasoning, I added some salt and some black pepper. So next is to stir them very well until combined, and then we'll fry. In a pan, go in with 2 tablespoons of oil, not too much, and then transfer your prawn inside. Fry this on low heat until it's well cooked. Once that is well cooked, transfer into a bowl. And then you set aside. Now for this recipe, I'm also using some salmon fish here. This is optional, you don't have to do this. So I'll be seasoning with some salt, seasoning, garlic powder, ginger powder, and some onion powder. Make sure not to over season your fish. Just add them bit by bit. Mix them very well and then you fry it. So in the same pan, I'll be going in with some butter. I used 2 tablespoons of butter here. And then I'll be frying some onions with garlic. You can skip the onions if you don't like this, but for me, I love to use onions in this recipe. So guys, I added a bit of pepper in this, just a little bit to give it a small heat because I don't like my food cold. And then I'll be going in with some lemon juice, going with your cooking cream and then stir well. So I just added some coriander powder there, black pepper, and some oregano. Mix very well. Add a bit of paprika and some salt. Mix well again to combine. Pour in your prawn. Stir well, then you go in with your chopped parsley. Guys, parsley is a must in this recipe. You don't want to miss this because It really gives it that delicious taste. So guys, do not miss adding parsley into this recipe. Then you add your salmon fish. Salmon fish is optional. I just love adding it to this recipe. You can skip it, but if you're a seafood lover, you may want to add it into this. Guys, this recipe is quick, it's delicious, creamy, and it's beginner friendly. Anyone can make this recipe, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried this before. Do you like it? Is this something that you would always want to have? Or if you have not tried this before, is this something you would like to give a try? Thank you all guys for watching. Please do not fail to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you all, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye guys.